She like really stuffed it full. Hello everybody and welcome to Walt Disney World 2026 vacation day 1. It's our travel day today. Got the car all packed up. We just stopped at Starbucks. Got our Starbucks drinks. And we're hitting the road. So excited to be able to do this. And our little cruise that we did at the beginning of the year. We're very, very blessed, aren't we? So Mr. Bean is sleeping. Sleepy boy. Got our Disney tunes on. He's a happy boy. Busy, busy. Heading out of our home state. This drive usually takes like anywhere from 4.5 hours to like 6.5 hours for us, right? So it depends. We'll see how today goes. Right now we're doing okay. Knock on wood. Mr. Bean's napping. So tired.
Welcome to Georgia.
Welcome to.
Red. Haven't heard any new Descendants songs, just the old ones so far, right? We heard new Moana and new Toy Story songs. Tay Tay song. Very popular. Here we are. Oh.
Welcome to Florida.
We're in the right state. I don't know how this is comfortable, but Mr. Bean's sleeping like this.
That's all. And that's what these guys don't appreciate how to grow.
67 minutes. That's gonna be the Daytona. Okay. I feel like we're gonna hit Buc-ee's at 11. St. Augustine Buc-ee's. Jump. Yeah. Buc-ee's. We made it to Buc-ee's. Bean's drinking some water after some walkies. And we've got some brisket tacos. We barely made the breakfast time. Like on the nose, right? Show me what you got. You got honey. We brought honey for tea. And some honey for possibly resort pizza. If you know, you know. Right? Honey with pizza. The best. Is that all you got? Nice. Just kidding. Joe found more stuff in his bag he forgot he bought. Look at this. Fruity Pebble Krispy Treat. What else did you get? Let me see. Let me see your treasures.
That's it.
Are you sure? And a Buc-ee overbite. We're very early to Disney, so I might have Joel look for something for us to stop and do before we get there, if our room's still not ready. We'll see. Till then, we're on the road again. Are you done with your water? You did drink it. We're here! Mr. Bean! Mr. Bean, look!
In 600 feet, use the left lane to merge onto Epcot Center Drive.
We're in Disney World! Woohoo!
Continue on Epcot Center Drive for 3/4 of a mile.
Welcome home. You have arrived. We've arrived. Got all our stuff on a trolley. And Joe's just parking the car a little farther away because I think we found our rooms a little bit farther that way. So he's putting the car over there and then we'll bring our stuff to the room. Are you excited, Mr. Bean? I'm excited to be out of the car, Mom. We're in the Alligator Bayou for this first part of our trip. The first 4 nights we're in Alligator Bayou. Building 39. Hey, baby. Hi. Alright, so we've stayed in Magnolia Bend before. Not in this building. We've got 2 twin beds, twin beds, queen beds. Yeah. We've got all the cutie little touches. So cute. And this folds out to be a 5th sleeper, but we obviously don't need that. Mini fridge, little coffee bar, bathroom. It is very freshly clean because it like smells like cleaning products in here, which is great. And just like that, we're unpacked. Finally. Got all our shoes out and things put away, our bed's all ready. Mr. Bean's happy. Got all our food in the fridge. Outfits out for the next 4 nights. So we're doing a split stay. We're doing 4 nights here at Alligator Bayou because we originally had booked the king bedroom for July 2nd and on because we were going to come after work, but we were able to get the special Disney Plus offer, so we decided to get the first part of the week with the Disney Plus subscriber offer, so that's why we're doing half our stay in this room and half our stay in the other room. So it's exciting. I just noticed that the snake from Mama Odie is on the cushion. That's so cute. And I know Lewis is back here. And Tiana and Naveen and Ray. So cute. So cute. Alright. So with the summer offer, they are doing a free water park day on your check-in day. So we're getting a free water park day today, and I think we're going to head to Blizzard Beach because we've never been there before. So we're going to do that. We're going to get our resort refillable mugs. That came with we're doing the quick service dining plan for the first 4 nights. So by doing that, we get our resort refillable mug today, and it actually is good for the entire time we're here. So I think it's good for like 14 days or something. So that would be really nice to have, even though we're not doing the dining plan the second half of the trip. So we're going to do a lot of quick service this first half, and then some other different things the second half of the trip. So that's going to be cool. Stay tuned. I think we're going to try Polite Pig. We finally walked into Polite Pig, you guys. It's taken us so long. Check it out. Look at the brisket. They're seasoning meat. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at this. I got the mocktail, the strawberry and passion mix, and you got the whiskey sour, right?
Apple cider.
Apple cider sour. We used 2 quick service credits, and we got the butcher board and our drinks included. And that's like a really good use of a quick service credit, because like look at that total. That's insane. That's a lot. Lewis barbecue. This is our butcher board. We got the Brussels sprouts as the side. This is pulled pork, pickles, pickled onions, barbecue chicken. This is our brisket. Yeah. Jalapeno cheddar sausage, coleslaw, cornbread, and the cauliflower. Dig in. Wow, that's a lot of food. Alright, just like that, we've gobbled up our dinner. And now we're going to go to Blizzard Beach. Joe, what did you think?
Pretty good.
Good?
Other than sweet tea.
Joe didn't like the sweet tea. I agree. The sweet tea was like too straight up Lipton's and not sweet tea like we're used to. We made some comparisons to Lewis barbecue. The pulled pork I liked better than Lewis barbecue. Oh, it's the same. It's the same. Sorry. Brisket is better at Lewis barbecue. The sausage is what I said was better than at Lewis barbecue. So not as spicy, which I like. So Joe and I are talking, and they've changed a whole bunch of policies here at Disney with the transportation. They are no longer taking people who do not have resort reservations or like dining reservations on the resort buses from Disney Springs. And we've noticed just this first day that we had 0 trouble finding parking at Disney Springs to get our dinner. And it's like much less chaotic crowded, and we're wondering if that's helping with that. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes the rest of the trip to give you guys some insight onto that. Because we decided to drive to get to Blizzard Beach a little easier, and the parking's free at Springs and at Blizzard Beach, so that's perfect for us. So we'll see. Right? You got anything to add to that, Joe? No? I'm gonna swim off our brisket. I'm going to switch to the other camera, so this will probably not be in 4K the whole video, just a heads up. Switch into the water camera. Blizzard Beach! First time ever. It's been closed every time we've come, except for this time. It has. I'm very excited to check it out and try it. Never done it before. Very first time, Blizzard Beach Water Park. And it's free with our resort stay. Woo! Come on, Joe, get
Snuck in
excited.
as well.
Yeah. There it is. Cool Kid Summer. Blizzard Beach. I'm so excited. This is really, really cute. Resort guest towels available inside. Should we go get our towels? Yeah. Blizzard Beach completed. Joe, did you like it?
Yeah.
It was perfect end of the day kind of event for us. It was fun. It got emptier and emptier as the night went on, so I think it's like 6:30ish. We're gonna go back, get our resort refillable mugs, get some dessert, and take Bean for some walkies, and then hit the sack because we have an early day at Animal Kingdom tomorrow. Yay! There they are, and their snack credit. All right, we've gone for the 4th of July beignets, and we've got our resort refillable mugs. Look how cute they are. They're like cool kid summer mugs. So good. Hey, how are your 4th of July beignets, Joe? Delicious. We got our mugs. Now we're gonna go back to the room, give Bean some supper, and take some showers, and do a walkies, and get to bed early because we have an early morning for Animal Kingdom. Well, I guess it's like get to bed on time at this point. Not really early. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!